What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer from Earn wallet to Spot wallet in Binance. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you need to log in into your Binance account, and you can do this on inside the app. If you are using the app, the web, if you are using the web version, you can do this using the web version. If you are using the app on your iPhone or Android phone, you can do the same steps, so the same process for both devices. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log in, and after you log in, guys, you want to click on you want to search for Earn. As you can see, like a few different options here. You want to click on Earn, and you want to click on Simple Earn. Okay, now to transfer, guys, from Earn wallet to Spot wallet, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on Wallet. As you can see here, as you can see, you want to click on Wallet. So after you click, guys, on Wallet, then you will see all your coins here. Okay, you want to scroll down, and where it says here assets, total amount, I to subscribe, like currently I don't have any here. So for you, it says for me no records found, but for you, you will find here all your coins, and you can transfer these to your Spot wallet. Now I don't have it, but my friend made a video about this. I'm going to, like, from here, just keep watching this video.
If you see this button right here, it's auto subscribe. So if you actually move that, it tells you that, you know, the auto transfer, that your corresponding asset, you know, it will be like whatever it is that in your Spot wallet, that will be transferred to Earn wallet every 24 hours if you do auto transfer. So let's do that. So say, for example, you wanted to...
So as you can see, guys, you just want to click here, like where it says I to wallet. No, I'm sorry, I to subscribe. So that's exactly what you need. So I can't really show you inside my Binance because I don't have funds on my Binance.
You redeem already on whatever earnings that you have. You click on this one, and the default is for fast redemption. So say, for example, I would want to redeem 2 BUSDs from what I stake in this part, and then I'll just need to tick on this little box right here. You hit on confirm, and you see this message, redemption successful. When you do view holding, you can actually go to your Spot wallet, and you will see that, you know, it's already posted there.
So I hope, guys, this video helped you. Like I said, this is exactly how you can transfer from Earn wallet to Spot wallet.